The view is incredible, honestly. I was not expecting this.
Dubrovnik was originally an ancient Greek colony, and all you have to do is take a look up on the cliff over there. The fortress of St. Lawrence stands proudly watch over our city for over 1,000 years. History, right? And while you're on top, take off your shirt with one hand and put it back on, your wish will be granted. I had a lot of servants in their homes, and most of those servants are servants from poor families, and they were girls here, right? Lay low, play nice.
In questa casa molto pagata. Sei cultura a parte. Chique.
Locals play these dolls for jokes, and they thought they were rubbing it for good luck. So for the last half a century, right? People keep rubbing his nose like there's no tomorrow, like it's all in. It doesn't work that way, guys. So you can talk with his nose a little bit for jokes, but they're not gonna help you win lottery or something like that. What I really find impressive is that he wrote about real people, real locations, and real situations. And today, 500 years after his death, you can still pick up one of his books and reading it, find the exact same spot in this town or plot of place 5 centuries ago. I find this truly. Breaking the lines.
The tour was actually really enjoyable. It was like a comedy show mixed with history and lots of interesting facts. The guides was really good, and he gave us lots of information. One of them being that if you come to Dubrovnik and you want to climb the walls, the city walls, well, the ticket for the city walls is already 30 euros, but you can get a pass. With that pass costing 35 euros, you have access to basically everything, all the attractions, all the churches, all the different monuments. Plus, you actually have access to, I think, a hop-on, hop-off bus to go and see different attractions all around the city and beyond. Because I don't have much time here, I'm not going to walk on the city walls. It's already 12 and I just want to go to the beach. Oh, the other thing that you can do actually here in Dubrovnik is taking a cable car to the top of this little hill that you see behind me. And it's about, I think, 15 euros to go up.
Yeah.
Here in the harbor, you can also find places where you can book your water activities, like boat tours to the Blue Cave. I think the majority of the boat tour starts from this little harbor here. One of the things that the guide said and really stayed with me, we touched the topic of overcrowding and over-tourism here in Dubrovnik and Croatia in general. And he said that tourism is one of the most important things here, so they're very happy for tourists to come. But the real problem is actually the cruise ships, because there are too many coming in at the same time. And when they come here, about all in July and August, they can easily, in just a matter of a few hours, doubled the amount of people in the city. Like Dubrovnik is a quite small city, it's about 40,000 people living here. With the people from the cruise ships and tourists, it just becomes doubled. So obviously during the summer, it's impossible to handle, like there are way too many people. And it's very difficult even to walk in the main streets or in these little alleys. So yeah, they would like the government to kind of regulate a little bit the cruise ships. Another downside of over-tourism is that basically people left the center of Dubrovnik. People that used to live here don't really live here anymore because it's too much. However, it seems like they don't hold grudge towards us because tourism is tourism is such a big part of the economy here in Croatia, so they really don't want to scare tourists away. I'm thinking about having a big ice cream for lunch, so I'm going to find an ice cream place now.
No sugar.